Hello, Ma.
Oh, why do you call so early every morning? Focus on your studies.
Without your blessings, Ma, how am I going to study well?
Suraj, I have been looking for you so long.
Okay, now I will hang up the phone. I have work. You take care of yourself.
Okay, Ma.
Today after class, I feel like watching a film. You'll come, na?
No, Bhavna. It's the final year right now. My full focus is only on my exams.
Yaar, it's my final year too, not just yours.
Bhavna, you know very well, I'm the son of a very small farmer. After Dad suddenly passed away, Ma struggled a lot to send me here. She insisted on my higher education.
Don't worry so much. Her son will soon become an agricultural engineer. And then he will earn a lot of money.
I just want to give her a life of comfort now.
Yes, with me she will live comfortably. But tell me, when are you taking me to meet her? At least smile now. You have topped the class. And now you will easily get a good job. And I think I will also get a decent job. And then both of us will take care of Maji. Far from the troubles of village life.
But I don't want to work and live in the city, Bhavna.
What? So what do you want to do after becoming an engineer?
Farming in the village.
Yeah, you were the one who said that Maji should be given a good life. The money we can earn by working in a city, can it ever happen in a village?
But if the son of a small farmer like me also goes to city after his education, then we can never develop the farming in villages.
You decided everything, na? You go and develop your village.
Bhavna!
Beta, at least have a laddu. You have had a long journey.
Not now, Ma.
Okay, Baba. Eat it later. Listen, tell me something. Has your college told you anything about getting a job?
Ma, I'm not going to take a job. Now on, I will stay in the village itself.
But Beta, what is there to do here?
We have a field, right?
After studying so much, you want to take up farming.
Ma, that is exactly why I'll be a better farmer.
Beta, you know, your father worked so hard, but hardly earned anything from farming. Now with such a small piece of land, what will happen to your future?
Ma, with that small land, I will build my bright future. And not just mine. I will be taking every small farmer in this village forward with me.
How will that happen, Beta?
We all have to unite and come together and using scientific agricultural methods do cooperative farming.
Since India achieved its independence, agricultural land has been continuously decreasing. From 1950 to 2025, we have lost around 10 million hectares of cultivable land, which is now being used for purposes other than agriculture. Along with this, with every generation, farming land is getting even smaller. And this is why most of our country's farmers are small and marginal farmers. Their problems are also quite similar. If the land is small, then farming cannot be done effectively. Small farmers do not get good seeds, fertilizers, and loans at reasonable rates easily. Due to untimely rains and the lack of modern farming methods, the yield of such farmers anyways gets limited. And when such farmers take their produce to the market to sell, then due to middlemen, they do not get a good price for their crops. In Suraj's village too, most farmers are small farmers. And the ideal solution to all their problem is cooperative farming.
Since the day he came, he has been waiting to meet all of you.
Tell me, beta, what do you want to talk about?
Almost all of us here are small farmers. Since childhood, I have seen how hard we all work in farming, but we haven't really benefited much. The problems that existed before are still there. In fact, they are constantly increasing. In the past few years, I have read about many scientific techniques of modern agriculture, which can significantly increase crop yield.
Beta, just the way you explained to me, please explain the benefits to everyone.
In cooperative farming, many farmers work together in a collective manner. Together, they buy fertilizers and seeds at better prices, make better use of irrigation, use modern equipments collectively, and when they sell their crops in the market together, they get better prices. This has improved the lives of millions of farmers.
We form a cooperative, a group of people, around 300 people were sat together. Then with the 300 people's money, we started buying machineries and farming activities started together. Generally in our place, our lands are in piecemeal basis. So once we came together, it may become a big land, so that big machineries can move smoothly. So accordingly, we started our farming activities. Within 2 years, we could stand on our legs, because there is farming activities started yielding us the profit.
In cooperative farming, when it comes to decision making, everyone's opinion is heard. Sometimes farmers feel, I have 1 acre of land, but other farmers have 10 acres, 15 acres. So, will my opinion, my decision be considered? But let me tell you, 1 member, 1 vote. Cooperative farming works on that principle.
India has more than 8.5 lakhs cooperative societies. This is the biggest network in the world, of which most of them are in the agricultural sector. In our country, there are many agricultural cooperative societies, ranging from big to small, with a goal to provide all possible support to our farmer brothers. Here, our farmer brothers can get good quality seeds, manure and fertilizers at very reasonable prices. Modern agricultural equipment, which can be very expensive, our farmer brothers can get that too collectively from here, using which will save both their time and money. Farmers can either form a cooperative society themselves or find an existing society and join them as a member.
We also need to join a cooperative society. Near our village, there is a cooperative society. I have even met the officials there. There, as per our farming needs, we can even get loans on easy terms. If we can all come together, we will surely progress.
This sounds good to me.
Beta, we are all with you.
कुछ पाने की है बात बात, सपने देखे हैं साथ साथ। आशा है संग मिलके संग लड़के खुशियों को जीत ले। आशाएं हो जब एक सी, चलना है अब साथ ही, अब मुमकिन है कुछ भी है अब मुमकिन।
The cooperative society has really boosted our confidence. We are getting seeds and fertilizers at such good prices. This will reduce our farming costs considerably.
Then with the money saved, we can put more fertilizer in the fields.
Absolutely not. We should neither add more fertilizer nor less. In the last 70 years, excessive use of chemical fertilizers has greatly reduced the organic carbon in our soil. This has significantly decreased the fertility of the soil. For healthy crops, it is necessary that manure and fertilizers are applied in the right proportion. And that is why before farming, we must get our soil tested.
Why? The soil in our village is very good. For years we have been farming.
I have heard of a blood test, but what is a soil test?
Just as a blood test makes you aware with what is lacking in your body, similarly, a soil test will let you know with what is lacking in our soil.
And where can we get this soil tested?
At any government soil testing center or in an organization like CRIPCO, we can get it tested, that too completely free of cost. They will give us a report of our soil, which will help us understand which crop needs which nutrients and which fertilizer to apply in what proportion. Balanced nutrition in agriculture is very important. On this topic, watch this video of one of my professors.
For many years, we have been using excessive chemical fertilizers in our soil. Due to the use of these chemical fertilizers, our land is getting damaged. Because of this, our crop yield is decreasing. Our economies are reducing. We, farmer brothers, must add vermicompost, biocompost, manure along with chemical fertilizers, which will increase the productivity of our land.
आंखों में है आस आस, होगा अब तो कुछ खास खास आशा है। खेतों में नए रंग रंग जब मिल जाए हम संग संग, एकजुट है ये राह राह, खुशियां फैली हर जगह आशा है। आशाएं हो जब एक सी, चलना है अब साथ ही, अब मुमकिन है कुछ भी है अब मुमकिन। हो 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 हो।
In the nearby villages, now everyone is talking about Suraj. He has truly brought fame to our village.
Sarpanch ji, I was very worried about his future. But he had said, Ma, using our small piece of land itself, we will build our big future. Now it actually feels that by doing farming itself, we will be able to make a good future.
Absolutely true. Before this, neither did we ever get such a good harvest, nor did we get such good prices in the market. Listen, beta, in the future, can we further increase our profits?
Yes, absolutely, Sarpanji. The primary agricultural cooperative society that we are associated with is not limited to just agriculture. Many other allied activities of agriculture, such as dairy, fish farming, poultry farming, or even processing our grains. In all these activities, the society can help us. If we want to increase our income, we must use all these facilities.
Along with cooperatives, another organization is doing important work for the economic prosperity of farmers. The Farmer Producer Organization, which we also know as FPO.
We at Vidatri FPO, with paddy as the input crop, have created a seed-to-seed mechanization infrastructure with the collective share amount that is collected from each farmer member of a company or the FPO. In addition to the cereal crops like paddy, there are also other produce such as coconut, which are being procured, processed, marketed and branded by the FPO, not just in the local region but also in other markets, eliminating the middlemen, helping farmers get better prices for their produce.
Through FPO, our farmer brothers can avail facilities like government warehouses and cold storage. Many government schemes and subsidies also reach our farmer brothers through FPO.
Ma, all this food? Is someone special coming today?
Someone very special, and she is already arrived.
After you left, I got a good job in the city. I did start working, but my heart wasn't in it. I felt an emptiness. Then I understood the things you used to say. After all, I'm also a village girl. And I already had Maji's number. So one day, I just called her. And Maji told me everything you were doing for the village. I also read about your work in the newspaper. Now, together with you, I too want to do something for the farmers.
Alright, fine, you both talk. I will be back in a moment. You guys finished your talking? Give me your hand. Now soon we will come to your house. Tell your family that here you have formed a new cooperative society.
Joining hands to become each other's strength. Solving every struggle together. That's the spirit of a cooperative. This is the philosophy of cooperative farming. Cooperative societies will bring prosperity to the village only when every farmer does not bear the burden of problems alone, but holds each other's hand and connects through a thread of trust. They say, the mark of progress is united farmers.